provisions relating to reservation in the rural and urban local bodies. And also the bill has mentioned about formation of an agency. Sir, a word agency was used, but when you had given an opportunity to Honorable Legislative Affairs Minister Saab, he went beyond that and he said the agent is not only about the agency, he said the name of the agency that would be there, sir. So I thank him very much, sir, for naming that. But in the bill never had the name Hydra or anything in that, sir. It had only an agency. So I need a clarification on that, sir. And also, sir, firstly, the provision in both the amendment bills related to the merger of 51 Gram Panchayats and nearby municipalities are part of the government's plan to expand the Hyderabad urban area up to the outer ring road to form the Telangana core urban region, sir. Sir, when we talk about the Hyderabad urban areas and outer ring road to form the Telangana core urban region, sir, when we raised this issue during the budget session of the Assembly, the Council of Ministers constituted by a cabinet subcommittee under the chairmanship of Legislative Affairs, Minister Mr. Janab Sridhar Babu Saab and other cabinet committee members held a consultation with the public representative, and we had also attended the meeting, sir. Thereafter, on the recommendation of this cabinet subcommittee, ordinance number 1 and 3 were promulgated on 31st August 2024, sir. So now the bill has been introduced by the government to replace the ordinance and include some additional provisions, sir. So before going ahead with that, I would like to mention that, sir, firstly, I'll go on the agency which was named by the Honorable Legislative Affairs Minister as Hydra later on. But first, I think the most important thing is that, sir, when the GHMC limits would be expanded, sir, there are few major issues which needs to be attended at the earliest, sir. And the first and foremost important issue which needs to be addressed in the GHMC area is about the traffic jams, sir. Sir, wherever we try to commute and go reach to a destination, earlier we used to think that 15-20 minutes we'll be covering this area, we'll reach our destination. But now the city has grown. Before this bill was introduced and the GHMC areas or other areas, outer ring road expansion was not there, sir. Sir, if we have to see, sir, the population of GHMC area as of now, before this bill, because the bill has been introduced and it has to be passed, sir. So the total population is 1.6 crore people, sir. And the population of vehicles in this area is almost 90 lakhs, sir, 88 lakhs. Almost 90 lakhs. And, you know, without counting the vehicles which come from the other districts, other states, and other tourists, sir. If we have to calculate that, and probably it might, I think it might touch to 1 crore. So nobody is taking care of this. This is a very important issue, sir. कि हर जगह ट्रैफिक जैम है, लोग घर में लोग वक्त पे पहुंचते नहीं हैं. And moreover, sir, it is not just the traffic issue, sir. Sir, every day, as per some people, it is said that, sir, crores of rupees people are just spending on fuel because of traffic jam, sir. Because they don't off their ignition and the ignition is on. So crores of rupees are being spent on fuel. Not only that, sir, the emission which is happening through the vehicles, whether from the diesel vehicle or the petrol vehicle, the pollution levels are also increasing. So, and it is a very serious issue which needs to be attended, sir. And Honorable Speaker, sir, through you, I would like to bring to the notice, sir, the total road which we have in GHMC area, sir. Sir, this house would be really surprised and shocked to know that we have 11,000 vehicles per kilometer, sir. 1 kilometer के लिए 11,000 गाड़ियां हैं, sir. For 1 kilometer, 11,000 vehicles, sir. Sir, and then On the main roads daily, sir, the city has 800 kilometers of main roads, sir. So now after some road widenings and everything, sir, after that also, sir, it is increasing and increasing, sir, and in 2019, sir, there has been a 41% increase in the vehicles, sir. Sir, a road density of Hyderabad, sir, 1,332.7 kilometers per 100 square kilometers, sir. Sir, Hyderabad has a density of 1,332.7 kilometers per 100 square kilometers, sir. Hyderabad has topped the list of the districts in Telangana on road density, sir. And if we have to see, sir, the very shocking thing which I want to bring to the notice of the government is that, sir, as per researchers, they have researched and said that Hyderabad is expected to see vehicle numbers reaching 1,60,46,853 by the year 2033 and 2034. Sir, it's better like, sir, utar jana hai, gaadi mein se paidal chale jana behtar hai. So it's a very serious problem which needs to be attended. We need, sir, parallel roads, alternate roads, we need underpasses, we need flyovers, we need to entertain people to use public mode of transport more. Sir, I welcome the move of the government by, fulfilling the promise of providing free buses to the women of the state of Telangana. But sir, I might be wrong, but I hardly see any RTC buses now, sir. So people are, forced to use their own mode of transport. Buses are not there, sir. The metro we need to have. Public mode of transport should be encouraged, and public mode of transport needs to be improved. And sir, if we are having metro, I welcome the announcement of Honorable Chief Minister for having a metro train, sir. But at the same time, sir, bus rapid transit system is also required. And wherever needed and wherever we can also introduce some trams. I mean, I would say that, sir, we need to have some experts. Bogota, sir, is supposed to be the most congested city, and now what has happened? It is, they are decongesting the traffic and they are creating new methods of having a smooth flow of traffic, sir. So these are the issues which needs to be attended, sir, and also smart traffic signaling and smart parking, and also management, smart parking management, improve the safety and incident response time, sir, and road pricing and road expansion. And at the same time, sir, most important, you have to synchronize the signals, sir, on the main roads. If I get one green signal, continuously I should be getting green signals, sir. This will ease the traffic, and this is not happening, sir. So it is a very important issue which I am trying to bring to the notice. Shahar Hyderabad, sir, बहुत परेशान है, sir, traffic के मसले से. And sir, moreover, as per the Police Act, sir, the traffic police is supposed to manage the traffic, sir. But now what we see is that the traffic police is busy, having the challans and fines and taking pictures, rather than regulating the traffic. And again, if we have to see the traffic personnel, sir, there is a 40% less of their requirement is something, and as per the sanction strength, sir, 40% are not there. The posts are vacant. How will you manage the traffic, sir? It's very important. We need to encourage more for electric cars, battery operated cars. This is very important. We need to give them some incentives. Okay, yes, if you have this car, the insurance, the registration, and the road tax are going to be reduced. We have to think about this city, sir. We have to think about the city, sir. The reason is that we do not want Hyderabad to become like any other metro city, sir, like Bombay or Bangalore or any other city, sir. We want, if our roads are, congestion free, sir, then we'll have a lot of investors coming in the city, taking, sir, and at the same time, sir. Sir, I had also seen this so-called Hydra. I think the name was not given in that. Honorable Minister Saab gave the name Hydra, sir. This so-called Hydra, sir. Sir, the Hydra was also, removing the encroachments from the road. Sir.
लाए हैदराबाद में आने वाला दिन में कई ऑटोस को भी बदलना चाह रहे हैं और 100% ईवी व्हीकल्स 100% 2026 तक टैक्स फ्री और पूरा लाइफ टैक्स सब जीरो करके जीवो निकाल
ఫ్రీ చేసిన అధ్యక్ష డెట్ ఫ్రీ చేసిన ఔటర్ రింగ్ రోడ్డుని అప్పనంగా ఆయాచితంగా అమ్ముడు పోయి అమ్ముకొని ఎన్నికల ముందు హడావిడిగా వాళ్ళ క్లియర్గా తెలుసు ప్రజలు తిరస్కరించిండ్రు ప్రజలు ఓడించబోతున్నారు ప్రజలు బొంద పెట్టబోతున్నారని తెలిసి ఉన్నదల్లా తెగ నమ్ముకొని దేశం విడిచి పారిపోవాలన్న ఆలోచనతోనే ఔటర్ రింగ్ రోడ్డుని అమ్ముకున్నారు. అయితే ఈరోజు మాజీ ఆర్థిక శాఖ మంత్రి, ఎందుకంటే వారు ఆర్థిక శాఖ మంత్రిగా ఉన్నప్పుడే అది అమ్మిండ్రు, ఈరోజు వారే డిమాండ్ చేసిండ్రు ఈ ఔటర్ రింగ్ రోడ్ అమ్మకం మీద మీరు విచారణ ఇయ్యండి అని. నేను మనస్ఫూర్తిగా వారు మనస్ఫూర్తిగా విచారణకి ఏదైతే అడిగినరో వెనకాల వారు కూడా చదువు వచ్చినా రాకపోయినా వారు కూడా వారికి మద్దతు పలికినందుకు వారిద్దరి కోరిక మేరకు స్పెషల్ ఇన్వెస్టిగేటింగ్ టీంను నిర్వహించి ప్రధాన ప్రతిపక్షం కోరిక మేరకు ఔటర్ రింగ్ రోడ్డు టెండర్కు సంబంధించి ప్రైవేటు సంస్థలకు కట్టబెట్టిన విధానాల మీద ఈ సభ ద్వారా ఈ సభ్యులందరి ఆమోదంతో విచారణకు నేను ఆదేశిస్తున్నా. తమరి విచారణకు అనుమతి ఇవ్వాల్సిందిగా విచారణకు సంబంధించిన విధి విధానాలు స్పష్టంగా తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ప్రజలకు నేను హరీష్ రావు గారి కోరిక మేరకు ఔటర్ రింగ్ రోడ్డు టెండర్ విషయంలో పూర్తి స్థాయి విచారణకు ఆదేశిస్తున్నాను. విధి విధానాలను మంత్రివర్గంలో చర్చించి మంత్రివర్గ సహచరుల సూచన మేరకు మంత్రివర్గం యొక్క తీర్మానం మేరకు ఔటర్ రింగ్ రోడ్డు టెండర్ మీద విచారణకు ఆదేశిస్తున్నాం అధ్యక్ష.